birds have always played a part in my well-being. They have come about at various parts of my life. And as a child, they were sounds that I heard in contrast to the sounds of my father raising his voice, shouting, violence. And that's a very real thing. It was a very real experience. And at the same time of hearing those sounds coming from a parent set against the sounds of birdsong, I remember very clearly about it feeling like two worlds, especially sort of being locked outside my front door, not being able to get into the house and hearing birds from behind me and hearing kind of, an adult shouting in front of me. I will never forget that. I was like 10, 11 years old.